So Tesla has been, I don't want to say flat, but if you look back 3 months, it's been flat with some hills and valleys in between. So today, June 2nd, 2021, we're looking at Tesla, which has a liquidity rank of 3 out of 4. I can never get that right. 3 out of 4 because there's 4 drops, but there's only 3 of them colored in. I'll get this eventually. And we're looking at a long call vertical in Tesla today. So Tesla, which runs about, just over $600 a share, we're going to look at a trade today where you can risk about $500 and have a 60% probability of making $250 somewhere in the next 44 days. So if that sounds interesting to you, let's hop on in to Thinkorswim and get started, shall we? Hi everybody, my name is Neil, this is Option Theory. Thank you so much for joining us. On screen, you can see we're inside of Thinkorswim's paper money or simulated trading platform. If you're new to trading, stick around to the end. I'll tell you how you can join us and put your skills to the test so that you know when you get ready to trade your real money, you'll know exactly what to expect. So without further ado, let's get started. On screen, you can see here, we've got the futures pulled up, and it looks like right now we've got just a little bit of red here in the S&Ps and about 0.2% down in NASDAQ. But Russell and Dow are basically unchanged. Although the rest of the screen does look kind of red. So that gold there is going to hurt our gold position that we put on somewhere in the past weekish or so, the GLD position. But anyway, we're here to talk about Tesla. Less about the portfolio. All right. So here's what I mean by we see going back 3 months, we can see we've been relatively flat here. Yes, there's been ups and downs, as I was saying, but, if you bought it back here, you'd be unchanged for the past 3 months. But we're going to position ourselves to benefit should summer cause, gas prices to go up and Tesla to be seen as more attractive. So let's take a look at that trade. Head over to the Analyze tab, go to Add Simulated Trade. We're going to pull open the July 16th weeklies, which as of today, Wednesday, June 2nd, happy June, everyone. We are at 44 days to expiration. So we're going to scroll down till we get to At the Money, and we're going to be looking at buying the 615 call and selling the 625 for a $10 wide vertical. And in this case here, we're looking to spend about $500, right? $508. Okay, that's our max risks. It's defined risk. Okay, it costs less than 1 share of Tesla, and you have the potential to make about $500, $492 to be exact. And the P50 on this one, according to Tastyworks, which I've got pulled up over here on another monitor, is we got a 60% probability of taking off half that credit and somewhere in the next 44 days. And that sounds delightful. I think I could sign up for that. I'm not a big fan of losing $508, but you have to be comfortable with that amount of risk. If $500 is too much risk for your portfolio size or risk tolerance at this moment, you can make this a more narrow spread, right? You could turn this into buy the 620 and sell the 625, right? That'd be an option as well. So you're risking only, half of that. So there we go. Alternatives. Let's take a look at the risk profile so we understand our probabilities according to Thinkorswim. So up here in the top right corner, you're going to see a calendar. You want to choose that and pick the expiration date that we see in turquoise in the bottom left, which is right there. That helps us see our expected move, what the market makers think, where they think Tesla will end up somewhere in this light gray area. It can go wherever the heck it wants. We know that. Let's go ahead and set our price slices to break even at expiration. And according to them, we're looking at a probability of profit of 46.3%. And I know that's not terribly exciting, and that's at expiration, by the way. I know that might not seem exciting, especially if you're used to doing trades that have higher probability, but consider the alternative of just buying the call, right? And then hoping it goes up. In this case, we're buying a call spread and hoping it goes up, but we're paying a lot less. That call that we sell makes it cost so much less. How much less? Let's take a look. How much would this be selling for? $4,365. $500 is a lot better. Yes. Okay, with that said, let's go ahead and right-click this trade and choose confirm and send and see what we already know. 492 is our max profit. We're looking to take that off when we get to about $240, $250, $240, $250. That'd be a great time to take that trade off, or at 21 days, whatever our profit level is, take that off. If it's not working out for us, we're going to let probabilities play out for us, hopefully, and not really. Our plan is to not touch the trade. All right, I'm going to go ahead and hit send and put that into my margin account, and it's going to go in particularly in the just the uncategorized section where we put our defined risk trades. All right, everybody, I'm going to hit send. That puts it in my working orders, and I don't hide anything. There is the portfolio that we've got. We've taken off lots of winners, and so yeah, that leaves us with some losers on the screen here, right? That's all right. We don't hide it. Keep it real. I hope this has helped you, and you like this trade. I'd love to know what you think about this particular trade. Do you like trading Tesla? Has Tesla been good to you? Man, my allergies. I apologize. It is time to go take a Zyrtec. Not that I'm sponsored by them. I mean, my antihistamine. Okay. I said I'd stick around to the end. I'll tell you how to join us. Here's really, it's 2 steps, but I have a third. Step 1. In the description box, you're going to find a link to go sign up for Tasty Trade's Cherry Bomb email list. Really, all of their email lists are there. You can choose whichever you like. It's a menu. The one we use is Cherry Bombs. We get those usually 5 days a week, but 4 of those, if they're, no holidays like we recently had, the rest of those would be trade ideas. So if you're, looking for help picking out trades, that's what we do here. We take those Cherry Bombs and we explore them, look at alternatives, look at probabilities. And yeah, we practice them. We don't just read them. Okay, step number 2 is when you're done signing up for that, come on back, subscribe, and ring the bell. That way you can take part in these trade ideas as many days as we do them. So 4 days a week, maybe 5 if I do a non-Cherry Bomb on a Monday. Love to hear from you. If you have an underlying you want to look at, leave that in the comment below. I guess the third step is if you're new, there's usually a link in my description also to go look at the playlist I put together on getting started with Thinkorswim. That's it. If you, I give you a thumbs up at this point. If you feel I've earned one, there is a button. If you hit that, I'd appreciate it. If you're going to hit the thumbs down button, just let me know why. I really appreciate you taking the time. If you're going to hit that thumbs down, then let me know what I did wrong or could do better. All right. Until I see you in tomorrow's Cherry Bomb, everyone, may the market be with you.